Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Monday. So today I'm going to review slash first impressions and lip swatch these lipsticks from Revolution Pro. This is their Bare collection, so they are all nudes. I mean, what's new, right? So I'm going to swatch them on my lips and see the formula, to see how they perform, to see the pigmentation. And I do have a few lipsticks from Makeup Revolution. I think it's the same brand, but I haven't used them in forever, so I don't really remember the finish and how creamy it was, the formula, if it was creamy. I do know that they are very pigmented, like the pigment is there, but yeah, I don't know how the formula is. So this doesn't claim to be matte or satin, it's just normal lipstick. So yeah, if you want to see how they perform on my lips, then keep on watching. This was €7.99, I mean €8, and you have 5 lipsticks, and it says 5 full-size lipsticks, and I was kind of impressed because the box is super tiny, as you can see. But yeah, they are full-size lipsticks, and I wanted to get the Bare collection. These are all nudes, as I said, and they do have another one. I don't know how that is called, but that is more like deep colors, like purple and reds, and I wanted to try the nude ones. So they do have names, which is amazing, and I'm going to swatch them all on my lips. I hope my lips can handle this. I do have some lip balm on my lips, but I'm going to remove that in a second. So yeah, let's do this because I feel like I'm rambling way too much. So I just painted my nails, and I really hope I don't destroy them. I already touched this one, but yeah, it's okay. So this is how they look inside the box, and I wonder why they didn't include like 6 lipsticks, because there's totally room for another one, as you can see here. But 5 lipsticks for €8, and if the formula is amazing, I mean, this is a steal. Also, I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to use my ColourPop Skimpy lip liner, and I don't really like to use a nude lipstick without lining my lips, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use this one. Alright, so we can see the colors like on the bottom of the packaging and also the names. And we have one with pink undertone, then we have a peachy one, and these 3 are more like a brownish undertone to me. I don't know, I'm going to try them right now on my lips. And also I like that they are sealed, like they have that annoying plastic, but that's a very good thing. So yeah. Alright, so you can see the noises. You can see the noises. My neighbors are wild. So I'm going to remove the balm, the lip balm that I already have on my lips, and next I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to skip this part because it's just me lining my lips, you know. Look at this. And I don't know which one I want to try first. This feels so nice. I mean, of course it's plastic, but it's cute and tiny, and I like it. Right, so this is the shade, and this is how much lipstick you have, and that's a lot. Like for this size of lipstick, it's a lot, and this is a full-size lipstick, as you can see. So yeah, this is the color. I'm not going to swatch it on my hand because it's pointless. I'm going to apply it on my lips, and doesn't smell. No, it doesn't smell. That's nice. Alright, so let's see how this perform on my lips. Oh, I really like the color. This feels super creamy, super smooth. And you can see how easy this glides on my lips. I really love the color. So it has a tiny shine, as you can see, but that's a good thing because that means they are not dry, they are hydrating. So this is untouched. Yes, untouched. And oh my god, I do really like the formula. It's very creamy, very buttery, feels nice on my lips, is not dry. As you can see, it has a tiny shine, and that means that they are hydrating. I feel like I keep repeating myself, and The color is so pretty. I like it. Alright, so I just removed unbothered and I lined again my lips, and next I'm going to try Naked Beauty, and also my lips are starting to act crazy. Alright, so this is Naked Beauty. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. I don't know why I keep smelling them. They don't have a scent. Alright, so let's try it. Oh, this is a little bit more deep. This feels so buttery. So this shade is so gorgeous, but let me compare this with unbothered and see. Yeah, this is a little bit more, I don't know, pinkish, I would say. I see a slight pink undertone. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but they are different. The point is that they are different. Alright, so this is Naked Beauty. Alright, next I'm going to try Mannequin. And again, this is a brownish, peachy nude. And looks so cute on the packaging. And let's see it. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's so gorgeous. I feel like on camera they all look the same, but they are not the same, okay? This reminds me just a tiny bit of Come On Sis from Sheila and ColourPop collection, but just a tiny bit. This formula is amazing. Like, look how easy that glides on my lips. It's so buttery and so creamy. Alright, so this is Mannequin and it's gorgeous. So far so good. I love all the shades. Alright, so next I'm going to try Whispers, and this is the pink one. Oh, this is so pretty. Gorgeous. Ooh, I like it. Alright, so this is Whispers, and I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful pink shade. I think it's perfect for the summertime. I love it. I noticed that you can totally remove that shine if you don't like a tiny bit of shine on your lipstick. Just take the napkin and press it on your lips, and you can see that that makes it a little bit more matte. It also takes the intensity of the color, but it looks more matte. So if you like this to be a little bit more matte, well, this is the trick. And last but not least, we have Sooner or Later. And this is a little bit more light. I think this is the lightest shade from all. And let's see how this looks. Yeah. This looks so much like my Skimpy cream from ColourPop, my lippy stick. I think it's identical. Alright, so this is Sooner or Later. Yes. And I think this is my favorite one from all. I mean, I like them all, but this speaks to me. I don't know. Alright guys, so that's it for my lip swatch. I love them all. I cannot decide which one is my favorite. I love all the colors. So as I said, the formula feels so creamy, so buttery, so smooth. I don't have words. But this feels so moisturizing on my lips. I feel like I'm wearing my lip balm, and that's amazing. And also I feel like these three brown nudes, they are kind of similar, but they are not identical, if that makes sense. I do love them, don't get me wrong, but I feel like they are pretty similar. And these two, more like a pink nude, I love them. They're amazing. €8, 5 lipsticks, amazing formula, you have to have them. So I think I'm going to get the other collection. I think it's called Noir collection, so that has more like deep dark colors like purples and red. So I think I'm going to get that one too, because €8 for 5 amazing lipsticks. The formula is amazing, it's so creamy, buttery. I feel like I'm keep repeating myself. I totally recommend them to you. You have to try them out because the formula is amazing. They are so cheap and this feels like butter on my lips. I feel like I keep repeating myself, but this is the truth. So right now I have Sooner or Later, and I feel like this will be my favorite. I don't know, I have to play more with them, but this was an amazing purchase, like €8 for 5 amazing lipsticks. Oh my god. I know that I want to get the other collection, the Noir one, because these are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.